Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most mind-bending theories in modern physics, M theory. You know string theory. M theory is almost same, but there is a difference. Okay. So what is actually M theory? So in M theory you will learn that from tiny atoms to vast galaxies, all are formed from something very special, which are actually 11-dimensional. In string theories, string theories deal with 10 dimensions, but M theory has one extra dimension. So in case of string theories, you know, there are 3 spatial dimensions, means normal spatial dimensions: length, width and height. One time dimension is there. So how many dimensions are there? 3 plus 1, 4. So 6 remaining dimensions, those are actually called compactified dimensions or curled up dimensions. So you can see in string theories, there are actually total of 5 string theories. And all the 5 string theories are 10-dimensional. 3 spatial dimensions, those are actually normal spatial dimensions. 1 time dimension and 6, those are also spatial dimensions, but those are compactified or curled up dimensions. But in case of M theory, there is one more dimension, one more spatial dimension is there. Actually what happened, 5 string theories were existing, and in the mid-1990s, Edward Witten and other physicists realized that all the 5 string theories are indicating the same fundamental thing. Okay, means they are indicating, all the 5 string theories are indicating the same fundamental theory. And that theory is named as M theory. What is the meaning of M? M might represent, or M might stand for membrane. It might stand for mother, again mystery. Okay, so 3 options are there. Which one is correct, which one has been accepted by the physicists, that is not known to anybody. Anyway, whatever be the meaning of M, but the theory remains the same. Okay, theory is, that means what? It's an attempt to unify all the 5 string theories together into a single framework. This is a M theory, this is nothing but a theoretical framework to unify all the 5 string theories. So, what is the requirement of string theories, or what is the requirement of this M theory? A requirement is very special, and scientists have been trying for decades to achieve the same. And that requirement is nothing but unification of general relativity and quantum mechanics or quantum physics. Okay, general relativity and quantum physics. So, M theory and all the other 5 string theories, they are nothing but the attempts to unify general relativity and quantum gravity, general relativity and quantum physics or quantum mechanics. Okay, and the mathematics of M theory is not easily understood, is not well understood by the physicists, though research is going on in this field. And one more thing is that there is challenge. Challenge is what? This M theory is unstable. You know, we have a Large Hadron Collider at CERN, but in future, maybe that Large Hadron Collider or LHC will be able to detect the 11 dimensions, those extra dimensions. We have we have evidence for 4 dimensions, 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension. That is known to you. We can conduct experiments to verify these 4 dimensions. Okay, if you know physics, then you know that 4 dimensions are there and those things can be actually easily verified. But what about the extra dimensions? Here we are talking about M theory, means 11 dimensions are there. So 4 plus extra 7 dimensions are there. Those 7 dimensions are compactified or curled up, but those things are still untestable. Our present technology does not permit us to test all those extra dimensions. In future that may become possible anyway, but today is not present. So in string theory, strings are considered vibrating strings. Means anything is made of vibrating strings. That is the concept behind string theories, all the 5 string theories. But in case of M theory, there is one more concept, that is the concept of branes. Branes used, branes, this term, brain, this term is used for membrane. Means brain is the short form of membrane. You can say this way, brain, B-R-A-N-E. Brain is the short form of membrane. And this membrane or brain may be 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, or more than that, means higher dimensional. Up to 11 dimensions are there. So brains are there. Again, the M theory could be used to explain the Big Bang theory. You know Big Bang theory. According to M theory, 2 brains collided in higher dimensional space, and that way Big Bang happened. Again, M theory tells us something about gravity. Why? There are 4 fundamental forces, and out of those 4 fundamental forces, force of gravity or the gravitational force is the weaker one. Means this is the weakest force. Okay. So why this is weaker? So according to M theory, this gravity or the gravitational force, okay, this effect leaks into other dimensions. Okay, this gravitational force or the effect of gravity leaks into other dimensions. There is a chance. Means this gravity, the field of gravity, this is not confined into our own universe. This is not confined. This could leak into other dimensions. And since this is leaking, that's why this force is much weaker as compared to other forces. So this way M theory explains many things. Though there are many things which are still unexplained by the theories of physics. But I have already mentioned that M theory is nothing but an attempt to unify general relativity and quantum physics. Okay. And what is the aim of unifying all these things? To unify all the 4 fundamental forces. And which one is causing much problem? And that is the force of gravity. That is causing much problem. Okay, in unifying all those 4 forces of nature. Anyway, so we can, since rapid progress is there in the field of science and technology, so we may expect that someday, in future, okay, someday we'll be able to find all those compactified dimensions. Okay. So anyway, so this was all about our today's topic, M theory. Okay. So anyway, so this is the end of this video. So if you found this video fascinating, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, thanks for watching.